What's up, everybody? Welcome to I Speak Organized. Today is a day that we're going to be folding some laundry. I know it's not the most exciting thing, but if you have mountains of laundry to fold and you have zero motivation like I do to get it done, then why don't we just do it together? I'll show you what we're working with over here. I've got sheets, I've got towels, I've got baby clothes, I've got all kinds of crap. So let's go fold some laundry. Let's do it together. I'll see you on the other side. Oh my God, look how organized my house is. What's up, Speaker fam? Welcome back to I Speak Organized. If you don't know me, my name is Melanie and I'm your professional organizer and productivity consultant. I help hardworking families and professionals find form in their space and purpose for every phase of life. I am going to be folding some laundry today. We're literally just gonna be sitting on the ground and we're gonna have a little folding party, and if this is the type of motivation that you need, like I do, to get this done, then let's do it together. But first, I'm gonna give you guys some updates. If you are part of the Speaker fam, thank you so much for being a subscriber. I really appreciate it. And if you're not, go ahead and consider becoming a subscriber by hitting the little circle icon of my face at the end of the video. That will make you an official member of the Speaker fam. I apologize that you probably hear some like crazy loud background noise going on in my house. I live in the Pacific Northwest, where we've been hit with some pretty intensely devastating wildfires, and the air quality in our area is hazardous at best. So we don't quite know what the health effects are, other than they're just really, really bad. So we're trying to stay inside. I'm feeling a little cooped up. And unmotivated to get anything done. The air is very still and eerie. It's very dystopian outside. So we're just waiting for the smoke to move through the area so that we can kind of return to more normal, semi-normal life. I make new videos every week about home organizing and productivity practices, so if that's your jam, definitely go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you never miss another opportunity to hang out with me and learn something new about organization. If you're not part of the Speaker fam and you haven't subscribed and you're not quite sure you're into it, totally fine. Go ahead and skip the update portion of this video by going down to the description area and clicking on the timestamps to flip ahead to our laundry folding extravaganza. Let's go. Oh my gosh, I forgot a whole bunch of updates for the Speaker fam. Sorry. So, additional updates for videos that are going to be coming out in the next couple of weeks. I had intended on getting some of these done last week, one of them done this week. With all of the craziness that's going on, it's not happening. And the generator air purifier thing that's in the hallway is so freaking loud that it's just not even worth it to try to do these videos. However, coming up is going to be another video series reading a children's book. I know I've done those in the past. Those are some really fun videos to film. You can check out my other reading series by clicking the card up in the corner. Take a look at those. Those are such fun videos. I recently got a copy of a children's organizing book from one of the members of my blogging group, and I ordered it and I'm really excited to read it to you. It's called Susie's Messy Room. Check it out. I'm gonna be reading that, and that video will be up sometime next week. I'm also going to be filming a makeup organization tutorial. I was talking to a gal on Instagram the other day who does a lot of makeup reviews and tutorials, and she mentioned that she was interested in seeing how I organize my makeup, and I was in the process of finding some product and getting ready to do that, so I am going to be putting that video up in the next 2 weeks. So stay tuned for my makeup reorganization tutorial. Not that you could tell by the way that I am looking today, which is obviously super fabulous, that I wear makeup, because yeah, but I do, I swear, just not happening today. This is what you're gonna get. But yeah, let's get to folding, shall we?
something in the air.
Oh my gosh, don't you feel so much better? I know that I feel a ton better. It kind of took a while, but that's okay because it needed to get done. Fact about me is, even though I am a professional organizer and I file fold people's belongings for a living, folding my own things and my own laundry is kind of like my worst nightmare. It's one of those things that I really, really hate doing, and so I put it off for as long as I possibly can. And sometimes it gets so bad that my husband actually jumps in and folds the laundry for me. So now that he's in law school, he has no time to help me out. So I just have to put on my big girl pants and suck it up and do it. And thank you for sticking around with me and folding your laundry alongside me. It was actually the motivation that I needed to push through and get this done because I hate it so much. Anyway, thank you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. Please keep us in your prayers if that's your thing. I would really appreciate it as we are moving through this very strange time, transitioning into the fall with all this crazy weather that everybody is experiencing around the country, and here in the Pacific Northwest with our wildfire situation. So I will see you guys next time. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.